Why did you fetch the Devi Stone? We are not even allowed to touch it.
Oh, enough. Don't start with your nonsense now.
But sir...
Prem Singh, can you fetch some apples for me, please?
Come on, you hear her.
What happened?
There is something in the closet. I saw her. Robert, the hens, they haven't laid a thing all day. And they were so still. I wonder where Robert is. Are you up there, darling?
There's nothing in here, darling. What did you see? Darling, what kind of joke is this?
Follow me.
Take Sahab to the Devi Stone and follow his orders, okay? Sahab, this is that cursed stone.
Cursed my arse. I am taking it.